Just maybe hold.
Do you have a good grip?
Yeah.
Okay. What was that? Let's this forward on the left. And since I don't want to turn his head, because that's going to get me, that could get me bit. Oh, that's moving a lot more even. Are you able to pull a little bit more? Now you guys can stick your necks up really far.
Yeah, and the good thing about them is they can't go completely in their shell like other turtles. So.
And there's actually another one I'm going to try and get C2, which is right below the first vertebrae. You are being a good snapping turtle. There we go. Yeah, his atlas has some nice. Can you see that back and forth before it was stuck on this side? So, very good. You are